Hey guys, it's Bri. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you guys my second cash envelope stuffing for the month of January. And before I go ahead and get started, I just wanted to mention a couple things really quickly. One, if you guys can hear that background noise, my brother decided to take a shower right when I was gonna film, so I'm really sorry about that. Another thing that I wanted to say is I just wanted to say thank you guys so much. I honestly had no idea how well you guys were gonna receive my last video, and the amount of positive feedback and support that I've been getting really means a lot to me. I think that doing these videos now is going to be like an extra like motivator for me to just keep doing what I'm doing, because sometimes it's hard, but sometimes you kind of get discouraged or you kind of get bummed out because you're not seeing progress or results as quick as you'd like to, and sometimes it kind of does suck and you kind of get in a rut. But yeah, I just wanted to say thank you guys so much. I hope you guys stick around. But yeah, so today I have for you guys like a paper version of my budget sheet that I use on Google Sheets. If you guys would like a copy of that, let me know and I'll go ahead and put it in a comment below or something, so that way you guys can have access to that. So I decided to do a paper version just so you guys could kind of see me and like how I kind of do things. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. Alright, so of course I label it paycheck number 2 for January. Up in this little corner I just write my pay date, have my total income here at the top, my grand total right here, and then the extra that is going to go towards my debt snowball. So for my monthly expenses, this paycheck I have the other half of my insurance is going to get taken out, which is going to get $106. My insurance is $212 a month. My phone is going to be $48. It's $47 and some change, but if you guys noticed, I don't budget with the change. I round up to the next dollar. It just makes things easier for me. My Best Buy credit card is getting $27. Spotify is $5, and then this loan that I have is going to get $30, and that's going to bring my subtotal to $216. And moving on to my sinking funds, we have Christmas. Christmas gets a total of $25 a month. Last paycheck I got $13, so this one will get $12. Medical would be getting $10. Nails and hair $5. My dog Bubby $10. Car maintenance is $25. Makeup gets $20. I don't budget anything for savings. Sometimes I do, but this paycheck, since I did get paid a lot less, I'm not going to put anything extra towards there. Clothing $15. Toiletries $10. If you guys noticed, Disney is a new envelope that I'm doing. I do want to save up to get the Disney annual pass. I think just because I'm on a budget, or I'm budgeting and I'm like trying to pay off some debt, I don't think that you should stop having fun completely. You can still have fun, just don't make impulse decisions. Kind of plan accordingly for that. So Disney will be getting $5. My school $10, and then gym is also another envelope. I do want to start going to the gym, so I'm going to be putting $5 towards that this time, and then that will bring my subtotal to $127. Moving on down to my wallet, we have gas for $30. It's about like $35 to fill up, but I just budget $30. Spending is $20, eating out $20, going out $30. I wrote that really ugly. That brings my subtotal to $100. So going back up at the top, our grand total is $603. And then the extra payment that I'm putting towards my debt snowball is going to be $160. So basically it'll be $603 minus all my subtotals right here, and then that's where I got the $160, and that'll be my like third extra payment this month. Alright, you guys, I have the cash here. Excuse also my sweater. I am very cold in my house. Let me know if you guys hate older bills too. I hate when I see an older bill. I don't know, I don't like it. I think they're ugly. Let me go ahead and fix these up. Also, you guys, let me know if you prefer this darker background or if you like the other background. But yeah, so I have my envelopes, I have my cash. Let's just go ahead and get stuffing. So the first one we have is Christmas, and Christmas is going to be getting $12, like I mentioned. I do have little slips in here where I keep the total in there, but I've already gone ahead and filled this out before I started filming just to save a little bit of time. Fix these. Alright, so we have 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for Christmas already. I mentioned in my last video that I do budget $300 for Christmas, and that's $100 for my mom, $100 for my dad, $100 for my brother. It just makes it easier that way. Medical, we'll be getting a 10. So we have 10, 15, 20 in medical. Next up, we have nails and hair, and I'm actually going to go get my hair cut right after I'm done filming this video. So that should be exciting. Medical, or sorry, nails and hair is going to be getting 5. Let's do this. So we have 10, 20, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. It's a good thing I have a couple of ones in here, so that way I don't have to get change for her tip. I already have singles in there. So that's nails and hair. Next up, I have Bubby, my dog. I did end up buying him some dog food last week. Yeah, I do feed him wet and dry food. I don't know if that's bad or not, but he seems to like it, so whatever makes him happy, I guess. Okay, so we have 10, 25, 31 for him. Okay, car maintenance is getting 25 this time, and we're up to 20, 40, 60, 85, 90. Makeup is going to be getting $20. We have 25, 6, 7, 8, 9 for makeup. I need to check how many points I have because, to be honest, I don't really use up my points, so I'm going to see if I could get my dip brow with that. Clothing is going to be getting 15. I am saving up for some new shoes. I do want to get some Vans. Those are like the only shoes I wear, to be honest. So we have 10, 20, 35, 45, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50 in clothing. Toiletries is going to be getting $10. Right? Yeah. Okay. So we have, oops. So we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. School is going to be getting $10 as well. I think I broke it down with a 10. I go back to school I think in like 2 weeks, so I'm gonna need to buy my parking permit. My parking permit is like 20 bucks. So for school we have 10, 15, 25, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 35 in my school envelope. Disney, like I said, is a new envelope. I don't have a little thing in here, and I also haven't cut this part right here in case any of you guys are wondering how I made my envelopes. So yeah, Disney is going to be getting $5. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5. I'm just gonna fold this in there. I don't have a gym envelope, to be honest, so I'm just gonna get the $5 and put that to the side so that way I can make the envelope for that. Okay, so next up I have my loan. My dad let me borrow $900 so I could make a down payment for my car. That's going to be getting $30 this paycheck. After I finish paying off this credit card that I owe, I'll be working on getting his $900. But anyways, there's $30 for him. Moving along to our wallet. This is the wallet I have. I already emptied it out and everything. Here's my tabs. This is my insurance money I need to deposit in the bank. So we have $10 for spending, and I have these little dividers in here. Eating out gets $10. And then going out gets $15. That'll be in the very back here. And that's that for this first week. I have my extra envelope where the other $10 for spending, the other $10 for eating out, and then the 15, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. The other 15 for going out gets put in this envelope. I did want to show you guys my savings envelope and my Dead Snowball envelope. Last time I had like I think $3 in here, and this past paycheck I did really well on not spending anything. 10, 20, 30, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 57. And I wanted to show you guys my current balance on this card is 87 minus the 57. I'm almost done paying this stupid card off. I can't wait to pay it off. So there's that for my Debt Snowball. But this is, like I said, separate from the extra payment, the $160. This is separate from that. This is mostly just like whatever's left over in my wallet that I didn't spend gets put towards my Debt Snowball. And my savings, I'm gonna go deposit this in the bank just because it's getting to be too bulky for me. But I have, let me do it this way. That and then like this. Okay, I'll do it this way so you guys could see it better. There's 20, 40, 60, 70, 85, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 91, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 200, 1, and 202. So yeah, it's just getting to be too bulky. So I think I am going to go deposit this in the bank and put this in my savings account. But it is nice to physically see how much money you've saved up. So that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know down below if you guys liked seeing the written down budget or if you guys don't really care for it. You guys just want to see the stuffing. Let me know what types of videos you guys want to see from me, and I will certainly do them, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!